Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. I don't speak much in here. I always do the voice over because I don't have the micro to actually record my voice and direct to the camera. So I just do it real quick. I just got a PR packaging from Obsession makeup. This is a brand that's available in booth. This is the palette that I build myself and I actually buy myself, and they are highlighter. I keep this one open because like it's really hard to open the palette. So I quickly show you. Sorry for the dirt in here, but the highlighter is incredible and each of them have like their own things. I will do a video that actually show you how to rock this highlighter and how to be a queen of highlighter with like drugstore thing. The one I actually like that they sent me is broken. This one is 110. This is a really peachy color and like shimmery, and this will have my own palette that I view. I have like several other color like brighter, but I don't put that in here because I want to have this palette like really how can I say it, like warm palette. So this is the palette that I built myself and I bought them by myself like last year. Is the palette that they sent me, the new one. I haven't filled them up, so I will do it real quick and I will come back. So I just finished filling my palette and this is how it came out. There are 4 other color with your eyeshadow, but they are broken and they are horrible broken. Like I really upset that when something broken, and especially highlighter or eyeshadow, it's really hurt my feeling. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm gonna use all of them today and I'm gonna show you the result and also how I create my look with this. Okay, see you.
So first of all, I'm going to take my NYX concealer and I use that as my primer. Now I'm going to dip my brush into a really light color that I own from Makeup Obsession, and I create the first layer for my eyeshadow. Then now I'm moving on to this orangish color and I create another layer and I dark it all over my eyelid. If you want to know the color number, you should go to check my Instagram swatches because I put all the number in there. Now I'm going to take a blending brush. This one is clean and I blending the color out. This brush is from Sigma. And I'm going back with the brush that I applied before and deepen the color. Now I'm going to take this black color in the palette and I'm going to dip it into my crease. So I just apply it into the end of my eyes and also my eye corner. I'm going to connect them together by using a detail brush from Zoeva. Then going back with the color that I applied earlier and deepen the color. Now using another blending brush, this one is E40 from Sigma, and I blend the color out. Now I'm going to blend the orangey color and the black color together. For my crease and in the middle of my eyes, I'm using this very purpley color. It's really pretty. It has shimmery inside. To make the color more pigment, I spray some water into my brush. And then I'm going back with the detail brush and then make the dark color is more intense. Going back with the shimmery color, I'm blending it into the black color. In this step, you need to really take your time and being patient and just trying to blend and then it's over again. I'm also using the black color using dark detail brush to apply in my under eye area. I just left a really small gap in my under eye area to apply this green color from Addiction palette. I pick up my Top Shop liner. This one is really cute, but I think it's running out of the ink, so it's really hard to get the ink out.
I already done with my foundation, eyebrow, and I powder up my face. And well, now I'm going to show you guys how I contour. I don't own a contour powder from Obsession, but I do found this color is quite matching with my contour. So I'm gonna use it. The eyeshadow E180. The color name is Sun, and this color is quite pretty. And this is how the color looks like. It's really nice and it's real light color which are suitable for my skin tone. Use is the Eco brush. This one is really cute one and really easy to go on the detail of the cheekbone, which I found is really easy because my face is quite small, but if your face is bigger you will probably need to use the bigger brush, and I use this one. And I also go to contour my nose. The brush I always use is from Real Technique. I'm going to use the blush from Obsession Makeup. The color I use is B107. Just give myself a little bit of blushing onto the highlight. So here the highlight from them, and they are really pretty, but I'm gonna separate this video to another one. So if you guys want to know how I done the highlight things, move on to another video. I already done with my makeup, so I put on Dragon Lee from New Belgium. Now I'm going to put some lipstick on. I'm gonna use the Clinique. This one is Magenta, really cute in pink color.